what's up, my dear friends? Today we are reviewing the HP EliteBook 840 G11. It's just another reliable workhorse that people love for its simplicity and durability. Or has HP introduced something new to this lineup? Let's find out. At first glance, this is a classic EliteBook. Thin, lightweight, and sleek. The aluminum body feels sturdy and premium in hand. Weighing around 1.4 kilograms, it's easy to carry. The hinges are firm, yet you can open the laptop with one hand. Overall, nothing groundbreaking, but the build quality is excellent. No creaks, no flexing. My version of the laptop comes with a 14-inch IPS-made display at 1920 by 1200 resolution. No, it's not OLED, but it's perfect for work. There are different display options available for this model, and I believe you can even get a customized version with a 2K screen, though it may come with a different processor. So be sure to check the specs carefully before purchasing. The speakers provided by Poly Studio are placed under the keyboard and sound quite good. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 5, an energy-efficient processor designed for office, task, web browsing, and light graphics work. Yes, it's not the most exciting chip, but it gets the job done. The integrated graphic Intel Arc GPU isn't meant for gaming, but with 16 GB of RAM and fast SSD, the overall experience is smooth. Running Chrome with 30 tabs? No problem. Multitasking? Easy. Port selection is decent. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, 2 USB-A ports, and a combo audio jack. Some versions come with SD card slot. The 38-watt battery isn't the biggest, but HP claims it lasts between 8 to 12 hours. Realistically, expect around 6 to 8 hours with moderate use. There are also HP Fast Charge, which gives you 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Handy for quick top-ups before meetings or travel. The keyboard is comfortable, backlit, and spill resistant. The keys are soft with short travel, making typing a pleasant experience. The trackpad is fairly large and responsive with a smooth gliding. The full HD webcam features noise reduction, and the video quality is genuinely impressive. The HP EliteBook 840 G11 is simply a great laptop for those who need a lightweight and reliable device for work and study. No, it's not built for gaming, and there is nothing too flashy about it, but if you prioritize portability, battery life, and build quality, it's an excellent choice. And now, as always, we're gonna be taking this baby apart to see what we can upgrade, so stay tuned, let's go! As always, we'll begin by working on the bottom side of the laptop and carefully removing the screws. The process is straightforward as there are only 5 screws securing the bottom case. To remove the case, I will use a pry tool and carefully start from inside corner near the screws. The opposite side contains internal clips that could potentially be damaged if pried from that direction. The removal process was slightly challenging, so I had to use my metal pry tool and apply a bit of force. However, once I managed to release one corner, the rest of the bottom case came off easily. With the bottom cover removed, we can see that HP has done an excellent job with internal design. Before disconnecting or upgrading any components, always disconnect the battery to prevent potential shorts or damages. The battery is easy to replace, requiring the removal of just 4 screws. The laptop features 2 RAM slots, allowing for upgrades or replacements. There is also an SSD slot and Wi-Fi module slot, both of which can be easily replaced or upgraded by removing a single screw. If you plan to replace the heatsink and cooling fan, be sure to reapply thermal paste to prevent overheating. On the left side, all ports are directly connected to the motherboard. However, on the right side, near the audio jack port, there is a daughter board that can be easily disconnected and replaced. A great design choice for easier repairs.